but our landlords are prepared. Do you guys really think this play sand will prevent flooding? They blocked the elevator with a few bags of sand. I just don't see how that actually will do the trick, but maybe I'm wrong.